Welcome to apartment 8E at 245 West 107th Street, a renovated, mint, pre-war home with personality.
This home has wonderful light facing south to the tree-lined street out of the main rooms. One of the owners is a set designer, so this was thoughtfully renovated with a fun and fabulous kitchen so you can whip up yummy meals or just look good while unpacking 5-star takeout.
That's awfully small. You on a diet?
This chef's kitchen has it all. An open breakfast bar with everything a cook could want. New and beautiful quartz counters, a gas range, wood and glass cabinets with this stunning handmade tile backsplash, and...
Amelia, what's your favorite part?
My favorite part about this kitchen is this awesome Smeg fridge. I feel like a rock star with this fridge.
I love these beautifully renovated windowed bathrooms. Not just one, but there are 1.5. This windowed bathroom was renovated down to the studs while restoring this beautiful 1930s cast iron tub. This oversized 22 by almost 13 living room faces south to the tree-lined street. Lots of sun.
The large primary bedroom, almost 16 by 12, also faces south to the tree-lined street. One of the owners is a musician, so it has this awesome soundproof closet.
The second bedroom, also oversized, 14.5 by almost 12, facing north and also gets lovely light.
Andrew, don't forget this great 15-foot entry foyer and
10 closets. 10, and one's a walk-in.
with the lowest maintenance on the west side.
It has an incredible roof deck, a playroom, a live-in resident manager, and is pet-friendly. And let's not forget, washer dryers are allowed with board approval.
And best of all, it's located next to 200 acres of Riverside Park green space, Strauss Park across the street, Silver Moon Bakery and Columbia University are all nearby as well.
The famous Absolute Bagels is right here. Garden of Eden with over 800 acres of Central Park just outside your door.
If you would like a private appointment to see 8E at 245 West 107th Street,
Give us a call or send us an email.
I'm Amelia Gewirtz.
I'm Andrew Phillips.
And
we're at Brown Harris Stevens.